A topic that affects us all, skin health. We often think of lotions and potions when it comes to skincare, but true radiance starts from within. We're going to explore how food can be our most potent ally in achieving healthy, glowing skin. We're bombarded with advertisements for creams and serums promising miraculous results. While topical treatments have their place, they're only part of the story. A truly holistic approach recognizes that our skin reflects our internal health. It's a mirror to our gut, our hydration levels, and the nutrients we consume. Let's break down the key nutrients essential for skin health. First up, protein. Our skin is largely made of collagen, a protein. Adequate protein intake is crucial for collagen production, which provides structure and elasticity to the skin. Think lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, beans, lentils, nuts, and seeds. These are the building blocks for healthy skin cells. Next, we have vitamins and minerals. Vitamin C is a powerhouse antioxidant that also plays a vital role in collagen synthesis. Find it in citrus fruits, berries, and bell peppers. Vitamin A supports skin cell turnover and can be found in orange and yellow vegetables like carrots and sweet potatoes. Zinc is essential for wound healing and cell growth, present in foods like oysters, pumpkin seeds, and cashews. And we can't forget hydration. Water is essential for every bodily function, including maintaining skin elasticity and preventing dryness. Aim for consistent water intake throughout the day. Remember, fruits and vegetables also contribute to your daily fluid intake. Now, let's talk about essential fatty acids, specifically omega-3s. These healthy fats are crucial for maintaining the skin's barrier function, preventing moisture loss, and protecting against environmental damage. They also have anti-inflammatory properties, which can be beneficial for conditions like acne and eczema. Oily fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources of omega-3s. Flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts are good plant-based options. This brings us to the fascinating gut-skin connection. Our gut microbiome, the trillions of bacteria living in our digestive system, plays a significant role in our overall health, including skin health. An imbalance in gut bacteria can manifest as skin issues. This is where prebiotics and probiotics come in. Prebiotics are non-digestible fibers that feed the good bacteria in our gut. Think onions, garlic, asparagus, and bananas. Probiotics are live beneficial bacteria found in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi. By nurturing a healthy gut microbiome, we can support clearer, healthier skin. So how can we translate this knowledge into practical dietary changes? Let's create a sample menu for skin health. Breakfast: oatmeal with berries and nuts providing fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats. Lunch: a salad with grilled salmon, mixed greens, avocado, and a light vinaigrette, offering omega-3s, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Dinner: lentil soup with whole grain bread and a side of steamed broccoli, providing protein, fiber, and vitamins. It's important to remember that while diet plays a crucial role, it's not a magic bullet. For specific skin conditions like acne or eczema, consulting a dermatologist is essential. However, incorporating these dietary strategies can significantly improve overall skin health and complement any prescribed treatments. A holistic approach to skincare is about nourishing your body from the inside out. It's about making conscious choices about the foods we eat and embracing a lifestyle that supports overall well-being. By focusing on nutrient-rich foods, staying hydrated, and nurturing our gut microbiome, we can unlock our skin's natural radiance.